just take a listen to our electric jack here. She sounds sick and she barely works. Hey guys, it's Brian here with Haley Family. We're staying at a really close campground tonight. We're pretty busy this weekend. It's the Haley Family Campground. It's our backyard. We got electric and water, and it's free dollars a night. So we're gonna just stay in the camper tonight. I got some things I want to take care of on the camper. Our electric jack on the front started making some funny noises the last couple trips, so I'm gonna go ahead and change that out. It's pretty easy to do. It's just 3 bolts and there's a quick electrical connection to the positive. So I'll show a quick video of doing that. But other than that, we're just hanging out this week, taking it easy, you know, doing some campfire stuff. Today, I'm just gonna replace her, and to start off, all you gotta do is take out these 3 bolts and disconnect it from the battery. It's pretty simple actually, and the instructions that are with these are fairly simple. So I'm just gonna take off the propane tank and take off the propane tanks and the cover, give myself some more room. But here we go. Okay, got it on here. Now I just need to hook up the electric. I'm going to leave my fuse. It's a circuit breaker. I'm going to run it in here, follow the frame, and I'm just going to tie it in. Real simple. I already tested it. You just set it on the positive, and it goes up and down. Morning, everybody. Hey, we had a good night's sleep in the old Haley Family Campground, our backyard, you know. We had a nice little campfire back here. Other than that, we took it easy this weekend. I did get the electric jack replaced, but we'll be back at it next weekend. We got an adventure already planned. We got it booked. So yeah, keep watching. If you like our videos, subscribe, and we'll keep making more videos. See you later.